Tired of messy spreadsheets and confusing clients? Let's transform your time tracking data into client-winning reports directly from Clockify. First, navigate to the Reports tab located on the left-hand side of your Clockify workspace. This is your control center for generating all kinds of reports. Next, select the Detailed Report option. This will provide a comprehensive breakdown of time tracked now. Use the filters to customize the report for your specific client. Be sure to specify the correct date range. And most importantly, select the client whose project details you want to showcase. You can also filter by project for even more focus. Refine your report further. Use the grouping and sorting options to organize the data in a way that's easy for your client to understand. Grouping by task can show how time was spent on different project activities, or grouping by user can show who contributed the most time. Once you've perfected your report settings, save it as a template. This is a huge time saver. Give your template a clear and descriptive name like Client Monthly Report so you can easily reuse it next time. Time to share. Click the Export button for a professional, client-friendly format. Choose PDF. However, CSV is great if your client prefers to analyze the data themselves. Before sending, take a quick look at the generated report. Make sure your company logo is displayed and that all the project details are clearly summarized. A well-presented report builds trust and reinforces the value you provide. Finally, attach the PDF to an email. Keep your message concise and professional. Highlight the key findings of the report and thank your client for their continued partnership. And that's it. By using Clockify to send professional reports, you're showcasing transparent time tracking, project progress, and invoicing details, ultimately strengthening your client relationships.